Hello and welcome back to the channel. Apologies that it has been such a long time, but I've got a bit of a little update on the mini project for you today, and a bit of an update of generally what I've been doing and where things are going forwards. So let's sort of dive in. Well, as you can see, the Mini is now looking pretty good. All the welding work has now been completed on it, and it is finally, after a very long time, ready to hit the paint shop. It's obviously had a lot of work done to it, and that includes a lot of new panels. And it's just been one of those, it's been a big job, as you'll probably see if you look back through some of the earlier videos on the Mini, to sort of see, okay, this has been a big job, there's lots to do, and a decision was made at the time to do the welding and replace the panels on it rather than to reshell, and in some respects perhaps that was the wrong decision to make, because it has taken so long to do and get everything sorted for it. But at the end of the day, we now have a good solid shell that's ready to go to paint. All that remains is a final bit of fill by the paint shop to sort any other little tiny blemishes out. But that's what the paint shop's job is, that's for them to do. But hopefully you can see that on the whole it's looking really good. I'm really pleased with it, the owner's exceptionally pleased with it, and as I said, hopefully this is going to be good going forwards once it's all painted. So as I just explained, the Mini is all ready to go to paint at long last. It has been a big project, and this is actually where my story with the Mini is actually going to come to an end. Because of my other commitments, I no longer have the time to actually spend on this, and with a good meeting with its owner, it was agreed that this is the point where it's not viable for me to continue to take it forward, and because it's not fair on him, it's not fair on me, because this is actually the last customer project that I'm going to have any involvement in, as I've had to basically wrap the classic car restoration business up. It's been a challenge to get to this point. There's been a lot of hard work and a lot of graft over the last 13 years of running the business, from starting up and getting small jobs in and doing a number of restorations and servicing and all that everything that goes with it. Unfortunately now my time has come to close that business completely and to move on, because my other work is I'm getting too busy. I don't actually have the time to get projects like this finished. This is why unfortunately it's taken as long as it has, which again is another reason for wrapping it up, and a good mutual agreement with its owner to sort of say, let's call it quits here. So going forwards for this channel, I obviously have my own classic cars to get restored, so the time that I might have been able to spend on customers' cars, I'm now going to try and spend and get my own done. I've got my Morris Traveller to do, and then my old company van, which is an Austin Morris 800 weight van, which again has featured in a few previous videos, so that will be nice to finally hopefully see about getting that restored back on the road again at some point. Regarding updates for that, it's anyone's guess as to when they're going to be coming out, or what I'm going to be doing video wise for them. I don't really know yet. I've got a lot of sorting out to do and paperwork, and obviously helping the owner of the Mini to move that on to wherever it's going next, and we'll just have to sort of see where life takes us, but hopefully I'll be able to start making some videos again, and hopefully I'll also be able to start enjoying the classic car restoration work again, because over the years it has dragged me down with my mental health. It's not always been a pleasurable experience, whether that's been due to issues with customers, with suppliers, or whatever it is, or just hard days and you just think, why am I doing this? I think we've all had those, and it's only fair to sort of be open and honest about it. As I said, this is it for now. This is the last update with the Mini. It is going to go on to pastures new, whether that's going to be painted and put back together with the owner, or whether it's going to be sold on, I honestly don't know. That's not for me to know, but I'm sure I'll find out in due course. So thank you once again for all your support over the years, and if you do like the video, do hit the like. If you feel like subscribing, please do. Until next time, happy classic motoring.